Hi, third graders. Today's response to reading goes with the story, What's So Bad About Gasoline? So your job today is going to be to write a letter to someone, persuading them to use less fossil fuels. And your assignment will already have the outline of your letter. So you have to type in who it is that you're going to write the letter to. And then I think you should try to use less fossil fuels. You're then going to use information from the book to support your reasons for them to use less fossil fuels. So you need to list at least 3 reasons and details for how they can use less fossil fuels and why they should use less fossil fuels. And when you're finished, you're going to sign your name down here or type your name down here after the word sincerely. Make sure that you write with complete sentences. Make sure that you use information from the story and have details to support your ideas for why they should use less fossil fuels and how they should use less fossil fuels. Then submit this to your teacher when you're finished.